Dear friends, you are welcome to our YouTube channel eGuardian India. Today we are discussing 50 important multiple choice questions with answers of consumer behavior. These all are MCQ type questions and prepared by eGuardian India. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. You can also post your comments. Now start the video. Question number 1. Dash is the most popular form of attitude scale. Right option B. Likert scale. Question number 2. Who introduced the concept of assembly line manufacturing of automobiles? Answer option C. Henry Ford. Question number 3. This is the new marketing concept. Answer option A. Consumer orientation. Question number 4. Cost of developing new customers is always much less than retaining an existing customer. Answer option B. Higher. Question number 5. Dash publicity by a satisfied customer is the most effective and cheapest way to increase the business. Right answer option D. Word of mouth. Question number 6. Dash are defined as the luxuries for which a consumer craves for. Answer option B. Wants. Question number 7. The first step in developing a dash is to analyze the market in which the firm is operating. Answer option C. Marketing strategy. Question number 8. 4 P's of marketing does not include. Which one is not included in 4 P's? Answer option D. Preservation. Question number 9. B2B stands for. Answer option A. Business to business. Question number 10. One cannot be everything to everyone, but our can be everything to a selected few is the basis for. Answer option C. Market segmentation. Question number 11. This is not the demographic value variables. Answer option A. Company. Question number 12. You start with a single customer and build on that profile. Answer option B, bottom up approach. Question number 13. Dash market is the market segment to which a particular product is marketed. Answer option B, target. Question number 14. Dash is one example in India who could diversify into several segments in different industries very effectively. Answer option C, ITC. Question number 15. The differences in different segments are completely ignored. The company goes for a single marketing strategy common for all segments. Answer option A, undifferentiated. Question number 16. Dash is the process of learning one's own culture. Answer option C, inculturation. Question number 17. Dash is set of action often thought to have symbolic value, the performance of which is usually by a religion or by the tradition of a community. Answer option D, rituals. Question number 18. Bajaj Pulsar use dash positioning. Answer option B, futures. Question number 19. VALS is an acronym for. Answer option C, values and lifestyles. Question number 20. There are conservative, conventional people with commitment to family, church, community, and the nation. Answer option B, believers. Question number 21. Kingfisher Airlines uses dash marketing. Answer option A, concentrated. Question number 22. This is not the elements of learning. Answer option D, etiquette. Question number 23. Steps in perception process include. Answer option D, all of the above. A, sensation, B. organization, C. interpretation. Question number 24. People skipping the TV commercials while watching their favorite programs by tuning to other channels is an example of dash. Answer option B. Selective blocking. Question number 25. Just noticeable difference is also called as dash. Answer option A. Differential threshold. Question number 26. Just by looking at pizza on TV, you feel hungry is example of dash arousal. Answer option A. Emotional. Question number 27. Dash carries pictures or her mind regarding the meaning of different kind of stimuli. Answer option C. Stereotypes. Question number 28. Conspicuous conjunction is related to dash needs. Answer option C. Ego. Question number 29. Which one of the following is not a personality theory? Answer option C. Pavlov. Question number 30. John and John use this type of message appeal. Answer option C. Emotional. Question number 31. Delicacy and chastity is related with dash color. Answer option B. White. Question number 32. Health drinks package use dash color to show energy and health. Answer option B. Orange. Question number 33. The reason for favorable or unfavorable outcome of a decision to self or to some outside element is called dash. Answer option C. Attribution theory. Question number 34. People do not buy Tata Nano due to dash risk. Answer option C. Psychological. Question number 35. दाग अच्छे हैं ना? Advertisement related to. Answer option D, Surf Excel. Question number 36. Your emotions towards any product come under dash component of attitude. Answer option B, cognitive. Question number 37. Cognitions are also called as. Answer option D, belief. Question number 38. Motives which are known to consumer and freely admitted are called as dash. Answer option B, manifest matures. Question number 39. A person who is worried about his her weight and at the same time wanting ice cream is. Answer option B, approach avoidance conflict. Question number 40. Factors which decide needs and wants. Answer option G, all of the above. A, personal factors. B, environmental factors. C, hits in the marketplace. Question number 41. A message come from a credible source disappeared after several weeks is dash. Answer option B, sleeper effect. Question number 42. Role played by a consumer are. Answer option D, all of the above. A, the user. B, the payer. C, the buyer. Question number 43. The consumer agrees for a small request by the marketers first, although reluctantly. Answer option B, foot in the door strategy. Question number 44. Dash is defined as any element of knowledge including attitude, emotion, belief or behavior. Answer option D, cognition. Question number 45. Dash is the marketing of products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. Answer option A, green marketing. Question number 46. Dash is a person is genetic heritage. Answer option D, race. Question number 47. The dash is the source of primitive energy that builds up and needs to be released or exposed in some way. Answer option C, ID. Question number 48. Dash is a concept that describes the beliefs of an individual or culture. Answer option B, values. Question number 49. Dash are individuals who purchase technology advanced products soon after they are introduced in the market. Answer option A, technophiles. Question number 50 and last question. Marketers who wish to use a high pricing strategy which will enable them to recover their product development cost quickly are known as dash. Answer option B, skimming policy. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, share with your social media friends and make the comments. Also subscribe our channel.